Hello everyone, Shabik here from Techque Reviews, and a couple of days back we unboxed the Google Pixel 6 and we got an overwhelming response on the video, as well as we got a couple of queries or questions in the comment section as well. So we are coming up in this video with a 1 week usage review of Google Pixel 6 as well as FAQs related to Google Pixel 6. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first, let's cover up the part with the 1 week usage review. Actually, I didn't get much time to test this device out as I was pretty busy with my work. But yes, I have done some basic things which I think is important. I have covered them. So before buying the Pixel 6, I was going through the other reviews, and one of the major points that every reviewer highlighted was that the fingerprint scanner isn't fast or it's not that responsive. But in my usage, I didn't find any issues like that. Just see, I'm unlocking the device, tap and then hold. See, to me it's pretty fast. I mean, I don't find it slow. And the second thing that I came across is, will our Indian SIMs work with Google Pixel 6? So yes, the Indian SIMs do work with Google Pixel 6. Let me just show you over here. So as you can see, I'm using Idea and Airtel. The Airtel SIM is an eSIM and the Idea SIM, the vSIM is a physical SIM. So both of them are working. The mobile data works perfectly and the calling is also happening without any issues. So this was the very basic FAQ people had, and by the way, the VoLTE option is also enabled, so need not to worry about that, as well as call over Wi-Fi as well. So let me just show you once. If I open this up, see, VoLTE, it's available. Then let's just scroll down and let me show you the about phone. So as you scroll down, you can see the Android version 12. There was this query which was asked by many people was, will I get the Android updates if I get the imported version? So yes, you can get the system updates on the imported Pixels as well. After making the unboxing video, I got an update prompt, and when I updated, I got the April security update. But after that, again I got an update prompt, and it was for the May security update. So as you can see, the Android security update patch is May 5th 2022. It's the latest. So yes, updates do come, and I'm sorry I didn't took a screenshot at that moment, but yes, updates do come. So now let's just go back and just show you the display part. And in display, if you see smooth display, so the refresh rate automatically raises from 60 to 90 for some content. And let me just show you that. I'll enable this. So as you can see in the corner, it's 90 Hz whenever you aren't using. As you can see, it's dropping to 60 and again going back to 90. So yes, this is proper 90 Hz. There are no issues in that. And this display, I find it very beautiful, and the blacks are pretty deep and the colors are very perfect to me. It looks very perfect to me. The display is very gorgeous, and in bright sunlight also you can clearly see the display without any issues. It's bright enough. Now let's cover the other aspect as well about camera. So let me just show you the camera UI. So this is how the camera UI looks. If you press on 2x, it just goes 2x, and if you press this 0.7, the ultra wide mode gets activated. So in the other reviews, what I found was very common, that the ultra wide of this isn't too wide, and yes, I agree with that point. The ultra wide of Pixel 6 isn't wide when compared to other devices. It's okay. I mean, I don't use the ultra wide mode too much, but for me it's okay. And if you go over here, this is the video mode. From here you can switch the modes, photosphere, panorama, and you can switch to Google Lens. and this is the new option for the action pan and long exposure. I didn't get time to try this feature, but in my next video, that will be a dedicated video for camera samples, I'll definitely like you to show that. And if you tap over here, it switches to night side, and the samples, I'll put it up on the screen and let you viewers be the judge of how the Pixel 6 camera is. So another fancy yet useful feature in Pixel 6 is the quick double tap on the back. You can double tap anywhere on the back and you can set a particular gesture to happen. So as I'm coming from Pixel 4a, so Pixel 4a has a physical fingerprint sensor at the back, and one of the gesture in that was, if you scroll on the fingerprint sensor, the notification panel used to come down. So I was missing that feature. Guess what? I have the feature come back by using double tap gesture on this. So just see, my hands are free. I'm just double tapping on the back. See, the notification panel came down. And when I will double tap again on the back, the notification is gone. So you can set many other gestures like this. What you have to do is you have to go to system and you have to go to gestures and quick tap to start actions. And as you can see, there are many options like take screenshot, access your digital assistant, play or pause media, see recent apps, show notification, or you can program it to open a specific app. One more feature which is exclusive to Pixel 6 and 6 Pro as of now in Snapchat is the low light mode, or the night sight mode basically. So before taking a snap, what you have to do is you just have to click on this crescent moon icon and just focus and just click over here. So as it's daylight, it took the photo instantly, but usually what it does, like any other night sight camera does, is it takes few seconds, 2 to 3 odd seconds, and it gives you a prompt to hold still. So FAQ parts. So the first question is, so there aren't any software issues. I mean, finally after 6 months, the Pixel 6 has become what it was made actually, and there are no issues or bugs that I found in my usage. Everything works pretty smooth and it's fine, man. I mean, I don't find any kind of bugs in it. So the second question is about front camera. How is the front camera? So one thing I would like to say honestly, guys, like I have been a Pixel user before as well. I was using a Pixel 4a, and in Pixel 6 as well. The front camera throughout the Pixel lineup is the same 8 megapixel shooter, and you won't see much difference in the quality to be honest, guys. I mean, if you guys want, then we can come up with a video, Pixel 4a versus Pixel 6 camera samples. If you want that, definitely we'll come up with that, and do let us know in the comment section. So in every Pixel lineup, the front camera is same as the 8 megapixel shooter. So Google doesn't really focuses on the front camera part. They are like 8 megapixel is enough just to click selfies. We are the masters in the rear facing cameras. So the quality is good. I'm not telling that it's too bad or something, but yeah, it's good. So yes, we do receive software update in the Pixel 6. So this is Japan variant, and I haven't tested out Geo SIM in this, as I don't have a Geo SIM with me. I have an Airtel and I am using it as a eSIM, and in Airtel the VoLTE works perfectly. There are no issues in that, and I'm supposing that VoLTE in Airtel works perfectly, then it should work with Jio as well. And you can make calls directly from the native Google Dialer app. You need to use any third-party app to make calls. I'll link it down in the description below. The video might get a bit long, guys, so please stay and make it to the end of the video. I hope you will find it pretty useful. So I'm using this Spigen charger. Let me just show you the box first. So I'm using this Spigen charger. This is the Spigen Power Arc Station Pro. This is the gallium nitride charger. This is a gallium nitride charger, and okay, let's just keep the box aside. So this is the charger, guys, that I'm using. This is a gallium nitride charger, and the charger size is really small, and it gives 30 watt output, and it is 30 watt PD actually. It can fast charge any of your mobile phones that supports fast charging through power delivery. So I've been using this charger, and you guys might ask, what is the benefit of using a gallium nitride charger? This charger costed me around 1299 rupees, and there are chargers available for PIXEL6 on Amazon.in which starts from 699 or 799. Gallium nitride chargers are very small in size, and they are able to deliver the output without getting heat. The most important part is what I found in the box. So let me show you this first. So these are the key points that are mentioned, and on the back, if you can see, there are 2 points. Those are, it's power efficient and up to 5x energy saving. To be honest, guys, I don't know how much power efficient is it, but the reason I went with this charger because it doesn't heat up too much, and it's smaller, and it's very powerful, and it's a 30 watt PD charger, so why not? And Spigen dedicatedly makes very good accessories for Pixel devices. So right now the price of PIXEL6 in India via Amazon.in is 46,727, which translates to 592 or 593 USD. This is the latest price that I saw last night. PIXEL6 in US, as per my knowledge, is 599 USD. So yes, a couple of dollars cheap, you get PIXEL6 in India. So let's go to the next question. This device isn't refurbished, it's brand new. It comes in a very proper sealed box. I'll link the unboxing video over here or over here. So it isn't refurbished, it's completely a brand new device. Guys, I'm sorry. Whatever phones they make, they don't give screen guard pre-applied. Google really wants you to just depend on the Gorilla Glass Victus. So best of luck to me
and all the other PIXEL6 users out there.
So there might be another question which is not asked in the comment section, but what about the battery backup? So the battery backup, in my usage, I found it perfect, and the battery capacity of PIXEL6 is 4616 milliamp hour. That's it, guys. This is a 1 week usage review and a FAQ video that we came up within a short span of time, and I hope you guys found the video informative, and if so, then don't forget to smash the like button, and if you're new to our channel, do press the subscribe button and press the bell icon as well, so whenever we upload a new video, you guys will be notified. So thanks again, and see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe.